Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday afternoon. If you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, it's not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing in general, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. That way you don't miss out on the massive returns that we're making week after week. So let's talk about the market for just a minute. We ended up with another good Friday, just like we did last week. Not what I was expecting today, but it was good for us overall, and we'll get into that a little later on in the video. So let's talk about where we ended up in the market today. We ended up with the S&P up 1.44%, the Dow up 1.26%, and the NASDAQ up 1.28%. We had the VIX down nearly 3% on the day, so not bad overall. And, we just had a pretty good day in the market. A lot of our positions really took off. I said this morning in my video, the Coinbases I had bought yesterday at $59, I sold them this morning at, let's see here, where was I at? A little over $60.50, made a little over $1.50, which represented a 2.6% gain on that trade. I said I thought that I'd get a better buying opportunity. Sure enough, I was able to pick some up at $57 just before market open, and then Coinbase rallied. We ended up running up. I sold out at 63 and a quarter. We was getting up there, looked like we was topping out, and we actually did top out not much higher than that. Got out at 63 and a quarter, which represented a 10.9% gain in about an hour. Absolutely amazing. And what did I do? When it dropped down to 57, I bought it again. So I'm holding some over the weekend. We'll see if that makes money on Monday. But 10.9% up on that trade, I was very, very happy with. Our orbital energy that I talked about this morning, up almost 3 cents, which is pretty massive, but I'm still holding that. I think they've still got some room to run to fill that gap. They definitely showed that they wanted to move up today, so really happy with that orbital energy, or orbital infrastructure play, should I say. That was ticker symbol OIG. If you was following me along this morning, I said that I really liked the looks of that. So I did buy some, and they're looking very nice, up right at 30 cents now, so up nicely, and I think they've got room to run. Overall, we did really great this week. If you were still holding Neo moved up very nicely. I had some friends got out of Neo today, made a nice little hunk of change. They've been holding it for a little while where it's been down, but they made nice today on that. And, overall, pretty much all our positions are looking good except for my UVXYs. They are absolutely down there, but you know what? I feel good about that position still. I'm holding it. Even if we end up with a rallying market that pushes us through for a month or so, I think that we're down close enough to the bottom that when the market does turn, even if I have to hold it till the first of the year, when the market does turn and start going down for this recession that we have coming up, I'm going to make good money on them. So I'm just not going to sweat it. If I have to hold them a little while, that's what I'll do. So that's kind of where I'm at. Let's talk about what we did for the week. It wasn't one for the record books, but at the same time, I am not complaining. Everyone ready for this? 27.4% ROI on the plays that I called out here. I'm pretty happy with that. That is a great return. If you're out there getting better than a 27% ROI week after week, then I want to know what you're doing, because I'm very happy with that kind of return. So if you like those kinds of returns, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We get those kinds of returns week after week. Not that every week, but I think the lowest we've had in 5 months I've been doing YouTube is about 12%, and we've been up over 40% ROI, and we've been doing that week after week, and I'm really happy I think that y'all brought me some luck. You know, I'm a firm believer that the more good you put out into the world, the more good you receive. And so hopefully me doing this and helping others, it's been good for my portfolio too. So I'm really happy with that, and I'm really happy that I've been able to bring you good solid plays week after week that I know you can make money with. So I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is never a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. I wish I could suggest it, but I will always tell you what I'm doing, what levels I'm looking at, so that you can go out and do it for yourself. Or if you're new to it, if you're afraid of it, at least get on there, download the link in any of my videos. I've got a link to Webull. It's the platform I use. Get on there, start paper trading, and get that confidence. Because I want y'all using this money printing machine that we know of as the stock market. It is the best way for anyone to start investing, even if you have just a few bucks in your pocket. You can start investing, start learning how to become an investor, and let your money work for you. That's where I'm going to end it today. I'm going to cap it off right there. I hope you have a great weekend. Join me tomorrow. We'll be talking about crypto. We'll be talking about some plays I'm making, as well as, building that knowledge so that you can go out there and invest successfully. Till then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.